Hello, this is Mr. Ahmed and today we'll do lesson 12.8 units of time. And our essential question is how can you use models to compare units of time? Okay, so for time we have a lot of units. We have days, weeks, years, month, minutes, seconds, a lot of units. So before we start, I put these all in one chart as you see. So from year to week, from year to day, from year to month. From year to month it's 12. The year has 12 months and the year has about 52 weeks and the year has 365 days. So again, the year has 12 months, it has 52 weeks, it has 365 days. And the week has 7 days, the day has 24 hours, and the hour has 60 minutes, and the minute has 60 seconds. So I think these are all what you need for today. So again, the year, it has 12 months, 52 weeks, 365 days. The week has 7 days. The day has 24 hours. The hour has 60 minutes and the minute has 60 seconds. And for example, from week to hour, we multiply by 7, then multiply by 24. So it's the same as you multiply 7 by 24. And from hour to seconds, for example, we multiply by 60 to be minutes, and we multiply by 60 again to be seconds. So multiply 60 by 60. So this is the whole thing for today, and let's take it step by step here by unlocking the problem. So the analog clock below has an hour hand, a minute hand, and a second hand to measure time. The time is here. The short hand is for hours. It's after 4. It didn't go to 5 yet, so it's 4 o'clock. And the other hand, which is 4 minutes, it's at 6, which is half or 30 minutes. And this thin hand is for seconds, so it's now at 5, 10, 11, 12 seconds. So it's read as 4:30 and 12 seconds or 30 minutes and 12 seconds after 4. Here there is a question, are there more minutes or seconds in 1 hour? We'll leave this question for now and we'll come back to it after a while. There are 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. The clocks show how far the hands move for each length of time. So here is the starting time, which is 3 o'clock. The short hand at 3 and the other two hands are at 12. So it's 3 o'clock. So 1 second elapsed. It means after 1 second, it will be 3 o'clock and 1 second. After 1 minute, which is the same as 60 seconds, the second hand has made a full turn clockwise. So the time now is 1 minute after the 3. And here, after 1 hour or 60 minutes elapsed, the minute hand has made a full turn clockwise. So the time now is 4 o'clock. And now, for example 1, how does the size of an hour compare to the size of a second? Okay, we know that there are 60 minutes in an hour and there are 60 seconds in a minute. So 60 minutes and each minute is 60 seconds. So if we need to know the number of seconds, it's like we have 60 groups. Each group has 60 seconds. So 60 multiply by 60 to get the total number of seconds, because each minute has 60 seconds. So it's like 60 repeated 60 times. So 60 multiply 60. We put these two zeros out like this, and it becomes 6 multiply 6, which is 36. So it's 3,600 seconds. So there are 3,600 seconds in an hour. So 1 hour is 3,600 times as long as 1 second. So now we can go back for the question of, are there more minutes or seconds in 1 hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour, but as we see, 3,600 seconds in an hour. So there are more seconds in an hour. Here we have math talk. How many full turns clockwise does a minute hand make in 3 hours? So if the minute hand made 1 full turn, it means 1 hour. So 2 turns means 2 hours. 3 turns, it will be 3 hours. So in order to get 3 hours, the minute hand should make 3 full turns. Here, example 2, compare measures. Larissa spent 2 hours on her science project. Cliff spent 200 minutes on his science project. Who spent more? So we need to compare the 2 hours with 200 minutes. So we need to know the 2 hours are how many minutes. So we will make a table to help us. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. 2 hours means 2 multiply 60. So I put the 0 out, and 2 multiply 6, 12. So 3 hours is, you multiply 3 by 60, you put the 0 outside, and 3 multiply 6 is 18. So 3 hours is 180 minutes. What we need here is the 2 hours, which they are 120 minutes. So Larissa spent 2 hours, which they are 120 minutes, and we compare them to Cliff, who spent 200 minutes. So 120 minutes is less than the 200 minutes. So 2 hours is less than 200 minutes. So Cliff spent more time than Larissa on the science project. So here, to compare the hours with minutes, we multiply the hours by 60 to make it minutes. So it was 2 hours, and we need them in minutes. So from larger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. So 2 multiply 60. And we said if we have 1 0 here, we can put it out. And it's now 2 multiply 6, which is 12. So 120 minutes. So 120 minutes are less than the 200 minutes. And now activity, compare the length of a week to the length of a day. We'll use color pencils here. Up here we have 1 week. So this is 1 week. And down here we have 1 day. So as you can see that 1 week is 7 times as 1 day. So 1 week has 7 days. So here, compare the size of 1 week to the size of 1 day. There are 7 days in 1 week. So 1 week is 7 times as long as 1 day. And now for share and show. So the first question is, compare the length of a year to the length of a month. Use a model to help. So this is 1 year and this is 1 month. It's easy, we can see that the year is 12 times as 1 month. We know that the year has 12 months. So 1 year is 12 times as long as 1 month. Okay, number 2. 2 minutes equals how many seconds? So from minute to second means multiply by 60. The minute has 60 seconds. So 2 multiply 60 equals, we put this 0 out here, and 2 multiply 6 is 12. So 120 seconds. 4 years equals how many months? So from year to month, it's multiplied by 12. So we multiply 4 by 12. 4 multiply 2 is 8. 4 multiply 1 is 4. So the 4 years are 48 months. Okay, so remember this chart very well. From the year, we have a lot of things here. From the year, we have 52 weeks. The year is 12 months. The year is 365 days. And after that, these are familiar for you. You know that the week is 7 days, and the day is 24 hours, and the hour is 60 minutes, and the minute is 60 seconds. Okay, and now it's your turn. You can use the chart to solve the questions from 4 to 7. And if you are in my class, we'll discuss it on the live session. Hope you guys enjoyed the lesson and have a nice day. Goodbye.